Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your ledger in Zerodha. First, log in to your Zerodha account using your Kite credentials and navigate to the console dashboard. From there, you'll easily find the Funds tab, which is your gateway to all financial statements. Select Statement and choose your desired date range to generate your ledger. To begin, ensure you are logged into your Zerodha account. Once logged in, click on the Console option, usually accessible from your profile or dashboard. Within Console, you will see several tabs. Look for and click on the Funds tab. This area is specifically designed to provide you with detailed financial information and reports. After navigating to the Funds tab, you will find an option labeled Statement. Click on this to proceed. Next, you'll need to define the period for which you want the ledger. Select your desired start and end dates and choose the appropriate category. Finally, click View to generate and display your comprehensive funds statement, which acts as your ledger. Once your ledger is generated, take a moment to review the transactions and balances for accuracy. You will typically find options to download the report, often in formats like XLSX or CSV, for your convenience. This ledger provides a clear overview of all your fund movements, including deposits and withdrawals. It's an essential document for maintaining personal financial records and for tax purposes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.